Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEKS topic, probabilities of draws with replacement. So that means after I draw something, I can put it back in and potentially draw it again. So we have an urn that contains 8 pink and 5 green balls. 4 balls are randomly drawn from the urn in succession, so one after the other with replacement. So theoretically I could draw one, put it back in, draw it again, and keep getting the same ball 4 times. That's what that means. That is after each... Oh, okay, I just explained that. What is the probability that all 4 balls drawn from the urn are pink? Okay, so round your answer to 3 decimal places, that's fine. So the question is, what's the probability the first one is pink? Because I'm going to have 4 draws, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so my probability the first one's pink, there's 8 pink ones, divided by how many total? 13, right? 8 and 5, because there's only 2 types of balls. And then if I draw one and put it back in, the probability is not going to change. It's still going to be 8 out of 13 for my second, 8 out of 13 for my third, and 8 out of 13 for my fourth. So if I want the probability that all of them are pink, I want every single one of these to happen, we're going to multiply those together. So it's going to turn into 8 over 13 to the 4th power, because there are 4 of them. Okay, so we can just jump over to our calculator and figure out what that turns into. 8 divided by 13 raised to the 4th power, and we get 0. It said 3 decimal places, so 143. Okay. So there is about a 14.3% chance that all the balls we would draw would be pink.